Hi, and welcome to this mobile review from Mobile Tech Videos. You can visit us at mobiletechvideos.com for more information. Today we'll be reviewing Gingerbread Android 2.3 running on a Samsung Captivate. What we have here is the latest build from the guys over at XDA Developers of the official 2.3 Gingerbread based port. This is all ripped straight from the Nexus S, which is Google's latest phone. And I wanted to show you guys that it is indeed running right now on Captivate. To go ahead and show you the specifics on what the phone's running, we've got our Android version 2.3 seen right here. We can see it's running the JL3 baseband modem, and then of course this was build 6 from the guys over at XDA. So it's actually build 3. Version 6. So it's running also the latest kernel, which is 2.6.35. But that's the about the phone, so you know it's not like a skin or an overlay. I wanted to mention that Android has a series of new applications. They've redone a lot of their applications, such as the browser, the calculator, the camera, the phone. The camera hasn't yet been cracked for this, so we'll experience a forced close if we try to go into it. But things like the calculator are up and working. This actually has allowed me to make phone calls when I can get on the network, so it has allowed me to do that. It's by no means stable. I don't recommend you flash this for day-to-day use. You won't get much actual functionality out of it. It is for developmental purposes right now. They've also ripped the background, which is really cool. You notice the heat sensitivity when you tap. A similar one was available for Android 2.2 live wallpapers and 2.1, but this one's a little different. Some of the other things that you'll notice are the icons and animations. The way it goes into things, there's the fade in. That was available in certain editions of Cognition, Perception, Xora, and some other things, but this is the official launcher, so it gives you that look and feel right there. The phone application, if you notice when it goes into an application such as the phone, it has a nice transition of fading into it like that. The phone application is completely redesigned. When you press home, it'll fade back out, so that's really cool. Music is working on the audio is working on this one, so that is actually working. I'm actually surprised that I haven't experienced a soft reboot yet, because as mentioned before, it is pretty unstable. I was able to sync my Google account and you know, get some email, and I've even downloaded an app or two and been able to do it without it freezing up. So that was fairly exciting. A couple other things to mention on Android 2.3 in particular are the keyboard. We'll notice that the keyboard has been completely redesigned. This is supposed to be much easier to type on. I haven't used it yet. I will be making a video on how to integrate that into 2.2 Android. A few other things, as we've seen, were the roll style. As you can see at the top, they have that 3D, like it's on a wheel type of scrolly look. And last but not least, one of my favorite features of 2.3, which is actually available on this phone as well, in this ROM, is the CRT power off. When I turn the phone off, it's going to give you a CRT-like power off animation, like this. I mean, if that's not cool, you're not in the right spot. So that is probably the coolest thing about Android 2.3, in my opinion. So that's Android 2.3 running on the Samsung Captivate. You can find more info in the More Info section below this video, as well as the link to the thread over there. Pay attention to the directions if you're going to try to put this on your phone. I'm not going to make a video to show you how to do that. You can watch my ROM video on how to flash a custom ROM to your Captivate, and from there it should be pretty self-explanatory as to how to get this on there. That info can be found in the thread link I'm going to give you. But as always, we appreciate you for stopping by. Please check out our other videos. Visit mobiletechvideos.com, and we'll catch you on the next segment.